Living in today's world and meeting someone who has not used or heard about the word Uber is hard to believe. Uber has brought a great revolution, or you may say a great Uberization in the entire on-demand industry. From beginning its journey as a ride-hailing service and now being a lead in every on-demand business verticals, Uber has inspired many business owners and entrepreneurs to launch their own branded online platform like Uber. Well, after getting 100 of queries through chats, emails, calls, in this video, I'm going to tell you how much does it cost to build an app like Uber. But before that, if you have an amazing Uber-like idea but don't know where to start, you can book a complete consultation with our experts or sign up in the link given in the description below, which will give you more clarity and help on the same. Also, download a free revenue generation plan, business plan templates, and latest on-demand industry reports and much more. Now, coming back to the cost to build an app like Uber, to get a better understanding on an Uber-like app development cost, let's dive into the functionality of Uber. In order to run an app like Uber, you need tech solution having three components. Number one is customer application. Number two is delivery agent or driver application. Number three is admin panel. And this remains same for every app idea around Uber for X business model. Now let's begin with how does Uber work for the customers. The process has been simplified into 5 steps. Request. A customer can request a ride or service instantly or schedule it via an app, and the request is received by the driver who's nearby. Matching. On receiving the request, the driver can accept or reject the ride, and if they reject, the request is sent to another driver. Ride. The customer can live track the taxi approach and know the estimate time of its arrival. Payment. Customer gets an estimated fare before the ride starts or an order in confirmation. And further, on the completion of the ride, the customer gets multiple online or offline options to pay. Rating. It is an important part for Uber business logic, which enhances the service reliability as the customer can rate the service based on their experience. So, for the features you would be needing for the customers to a Uber-like app, additional features like scheduling a ride in advance, booking a ride for others, splitting a fare with companions. Now, let us talk about the driver app. This is where you have to provide your delivery feed with features like admin panel from where you can So these were the various features your Uber-like app must have. Besides these, you can add as many as features as per your requirement and creative ideas. For that, you can go through our feature book given in the description below. Lastly, coming to the main thing, what is the cost to build an app like Uber? When you calculate the simple formula, Uber-like app cost can be total time taken multiplied by hourly rate development. Have a look at this table that will give you a better idea of the total development time. completely from the scratch, it can easily cost you from $50,000 to $200,000 or even more. And now you have to decide the type of application you need, whether it is a custom-built application, white label application, SaaS-based application, or any other. Check out our video to know more about the details on these solutions. To conclude, if you have to go for a ready-made, white label, multiple service app like Uber, you can get it around $15,000 to $20,000. On the top of that, you can include as many as features and customize it as per your preference and requirements. So the best solution is to start with MVP creation and proceed. Do let us know your reviews in the comment section below, and for any other details, feel free to contact us anytime. We will be back with more videos related on the business world. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas.